let's now turn to the day of the incident. The day was August 29, 2008. Lynn went to work at approximately 7:15 a.m. Erin and her father got up shortly. Erin and her father ate breakfast, and they watched a Harry Potter movie. After the movie, Erin ate lunch, and after lunch, Erin and her dad fed the animals in the barn. They had chickens, geese, an emu, and a pig. Erin then went inside and watched PBS Kids on television. At 4:20 p.m., Lynn left work and called her husband on the phone. Lynn asked if he wanted to go to Walmart in Granby. Lindsey said yes. Lynn came home. Before leaving with Lindsey, she told Erin to clean her room and that her stepbrother Alan would make her dinner. When Lynn and Lindsey left the residence, Alan was playing a video game on his laptop. He was playing a video game on his laptop in the kitchen. Erin was in the bedroom. Lynn and Lindsey were at the Walmart in Granby when they received a call from Alan. It was 5:35 p.m. Alan said, "Erin is hurt. The ambulance is here." Lynn and Lindsey drove to Lee Memorial Hospital. The doctors at the hospital said they had stabilized Erin, but that it did not look good. The doctor said that, in his opinion, Erin was brain dead. Lynn and Lindsey saw ligature marks on Erin's neck. Erin was prepared by the doctors and medical staff for the Mercy helicopter flight to University Hospital. The Maxwells then drove to University Hospital in Syracuse. That would be Lynn and Lindsey. Alan did not drive there because the state police had already asked him to accompany them to headquarters for questioning. When Lynn and Lindsey arrived at the pediatric unit, the doctors informed the Maxwells of their grim diagnosis. Erin died at 4:20 a.m. on August 30th, 2008. Lynn and Lindsey were at her side when she died. Alan Jones is the next topic that I want to discuss. He is the person of interest that the state police has mentioned. Alan is 27 years old. He is Erin's stepbrother. He is a technical school graduate. He has a clean criminal history. Alan has lived with his mother all of his life. Alan was on the computer laptop. He commenced making dinner for Erin. Erin was in the bedroom. Alan has a hearing loss as a result of numerous surgeries to his ears. This is documented. After preparing dinner, Alan brought dinner into Erin's bedroom. Alan saw Erin from the doorway. It appeared as if she were standing. Alan is not wearing his glasses today, but he wears glasses. He needs glasses because without the glasses he cannot see very well. So it appeared as if she were standing next to the bed. Alan went up to her. He saw that there was a green cord and that the green cord was wrapped around her neck. He saw that the other end of the rope was attached to a screw protruding from the top of the window frame. Alan removed the rope from the screw and loosened the rope from around Erin's neck. Alan immediately called 911 because Erin was not responsive, and the operator guided Alan through CPR resuscitation. until the paramedics arrived. The paramedics arrived almost immediately. With the paramedics, subsequently, the state police arrived and requested at that time a written statement from Alan. Alan was brought to the back of the state police motor vehicle. He complied fully. He waived his Miranda rights and gave the state police a written statement. State police investigators later on then transported Alan to the Fulton State Police Barracks. Subsequently, while at the Fulton State Police Barracks, 2 more investigators arrived and told Alan that they would need to take an additional written statement from him. They indicated that they needed his entire statement all over again. Alan, being a law-abiding citizen, complied with their request and waived in writing any rights under the Miranda ruling. Each time the police officers read Alan or gave to Alan his Miranda warnings, each time Alan waived his right to an attorney. Alan did this because he believes he has nothing to hide and wants to cooperate with the police. Thereafter, the state police questioned Alan at length for hours. Alan is a very intelligent man. I'm informed by his mother that his IQ has been tested and that it is approximately 160 or above. He is a very technical person and is very knowledgeable in computers. The state police attempted at length to question Alan. The state police, according to what Alan has told me, became frustrated with him. He looked calm. He was ready to give them statements, ready to cooperate, but they still became frustrated. He calmly presented his version of what happened, what he saw. Later on that evening, the investigators demanded that Alan submit to a polygraph test. They told Alan that if he did not take the test, that they would tell the jury of that fact, and it would not look good for him. Alan told the state police investigators that that was not necessary. He would take the polygraph test that day, that night, at any time. The state police investigators then contacted their polygraph specialist. In order to conduct the polygraph examination, Alan was taken by the New York State Police that evening from the Fulton Barracks to the North Syracuse State Police Barracks. Again, at the North Syracuse State Police Barracks, the state police investigators asked Alan to sign a waiver of his Miranda rights. Alan spoke to the polygraph specialist when he arrived. He waived his rights under Miranda again in writing, and Alan took the polygraph test. Alan then was removed from the room. The investigator calculated the scores from what he told Alan, and then the investigators brought Alan into another room with the polygraph examiner, and the investigators then attempted to get Alan to admit that he had killed Erin. The state police questioned Alan about his knowledge of computers. They questioned him about child pornography. They told him that they had software that they could insert into his laptop and every computer in the house, and they were going to look for child pornography. They talked about strangulation, sexual relations with children, erotic asphyxiation, and other forms of child pornography. Alan told them to take the laptop computer and do what you want. You don't even need a search warrant. He consented to allow them to have the computers in the household. And he told the officers that they would find nothing.